Asibonge mbukeli ngokuba ingxenye yalezi ndaba. Iyamenyezelwa sikhuluma nje ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu ake siphonse intambo esigodlweni kwakhetho empeleni kwakhangela amankengane sicoshe bukhoma lesi simemezelo.
A long-standing tradition of the Zulu nation, the son born of royalty, such as Umntwana uMisizulu Zulu, is preeminently the successor to the king. 5. It will also be remembered that the Zulu kingdom paid the lobola to the kingdom of Eswatini on the occasion leading up to my betrothal to His Majesty the King. This was done by the Zulu nation. 6. Again, and in accordance with the Zulu customs and traditions, the firstborn or the first son born of my marriage to the king becomes the successor to the king. Then she continues, Umntwana uMisizulu Zulu qualifies for the appointment as the king because of the 3 things mentioned in the letter. 1, he has no previous convictions. I hope that's true. Number 2, he is of sound mind. I hope that's true. Number 3, he has no disqualifying impediments which militate against his appointment as the king. I accordingly invite your excellencies to support my decision and identify Umntwana uMisizulu Zulu as the person who should assume the position of the king of the Zulu nation. Yours faithfully, and it is signed by Ndlovukazi.
I just want to show the signature to the children of the Queen, for them to confirm that this is the signature. Nkulu Kwabeni uNkankosi ngifisa nika amazinyane silo ngoba yibo abazi ukusayina kwenza uNkulunkulu nina abazalayo ngaphambi kwasiqhubeke. Bonke abantwana benkosi bathi yibukusana kwenziwa.